Hello, my name is Sailesh Mehta. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer, and I'm here to tell you about course 6236. This is a course for implementing and maintaining Microsoft SQL Server 2008 reporting services. This is a 3-day class, and here is a student who actually has taken this class who's going to help us understand from a student perspective what it is that you're going to gain by taking this class. Hello.
Hi. So in this class, you will learn how to create a report using the Business Intelligence Development Studio. You learn how to use the wizard of how to create a project, then how to create the shared data source, and then how to create the report. You start out by learning how to create a simple report with just a table on it with some data. You then learn how to do grouping on the report. You'll then learn how to add additional functionality to the report like dynamic visibility and the
You can
document
also add
maps.
parameterization.
You can
right?
add document maps and then you get into the more advanced things like parameterization. So you can do the parameterization of the reports, you can add parameters, you can change them into drop-down parameters, you can even build a parameter list.
Excellent.
Finally, you will learn how to use the report manager, which is the website where you upload all your reports, and then you will learn how to manage your reports on the website by using subscriptions.
Very good. Excellent. We also learned something called Report Builder, correct?
Yes, there is another tool called Report Builder, which will also allow you to build a report. This is in case you don't have the Business Intelligence Development Studio, or if you are simple, if you don't have a lot of experience with Business Intelligence Development Studio, then Report Builder will also be useful to help build your reports.
Excellent. So, this class can be very useful for anybody that wants to learn how to create a report using data that is coming out of a SQL Server database. This can, and in 3 days, did you get the knowledge that you need to create not just a simple report, but even a complex report with a document map, for example?
Yes, I did.
And by the way, for those of you who don't understand, a document map helps you navigate the report so that you can go from one part of the report to another. And I hope that this was acceptable even to a student who may not have any experience with, let's say, reporting services.
That is correct. If you've never built a report before and you want to get started on building reports, then this course is definitely the one to take.
Excellent. So we strongly recommend for all of you out there who want to learn how to create a report using SQL Server, this is the class for you, 6236. My name is Sailesh Mehta. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer who teaches this class. I have taught it to a lot of students. I'm very happy about it, and as you can see, my students are very happy to learn. So thank you very much.